Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Karisma Kim. My NPM R070. I'm from class R4E. Today I want to share a personal experience that may seem simple but has taught me many valuable life lessons. My experience raising a cat. The first is introduction. At first, I started raising a cat simply because I thought it was cute and I was curious. I didn't I didn't expect much. I just want to try having a pet. But over time, I realized that raising an animal isn't just a casual hobby. It becomes a daily commitment and an ongoing learning process. Something that seemed light at first turned out to be a consistent practice of discipline, attention, and patience. The next is daily routine. The first is feeding and giving water. The second is cleaning the living space, and the last managing time amid busyness. Every day I had to wake up early to feed the cat and clean its living area. Sometimes I had to postpone other tasks to meet its needs. From this, I learned to manage my time better and treat responsibilities as part of my routine, not as a burden. I came to understand that love and care are often shown not through words, but through consistent daily actions. The next is change in attitude and character. The first is becoming more patient. The next is more caring toward others' beings. The last is learning to control emotion. Daily interaction with the cat slowly taught me many things. I become more patient when dealing with its unpredictable behavior. I become more aware of the needs of other living beings and learned to manage my emotions, especially when tired or frustrated. Cats don't complain like humans do, but they respond in their own way. This helped me realize the value of practice and sincerity when dealing with others. The next is communication without words. Cats don't use words, but they communicated clearly through their behavior. I learned to observe their experience, sounds, and movements to understand what they needed. This made me more aware of how important body language is in human communication too. Good communication isn't just about speaking, it is also about understanding silently and attentively. The next is emotional support and health and care. The first is emotional support. First, a friend during loneliness. The second is reducing stress. The last is a presence that brings comfort. The cat's presence had a big emotional impact. On tiring or sad days, it give me a sense of calm. It didn't demand much, but its presence was enough to make my day better. I felt stronger going through 2 days because I had something that always greeted me at home. Without even trying, it became a natural form of emotional support. This next is health and care. The first is maintaining a healthy diet. The second is regular vet visit. The last is understanding prevention is key. Taking care of a cat also means caring for its health. I started learning about nutrition food, vaccination, and signs of illness. This taught me the importance of preventive care and made me more mindful of health, both for my and myself. Sometimes we only realize how crucial health is when we see others suffer. That awareness helped me value early care and prevention. The next is listen and reflection. The first, responsibility grows with habit. The second, empathy develops through experience. The last is hope bones start from care. Raising a cat taught me that responsibility doesn't appear overnight. It grows with consistency and awareness. I also realized that empathy can be developed and strong relationships, whether with animals or people, begin with genuine care and presence. This experience helped me better understand what it truly means to mature, not by age, but by how we respond and care for others. The last is conclusion. From my experience raising a cat, I've learned that many life values can come from simple, everyday moments. Through caring, understanding, and accompanying another living being, I was shaped into sometimes responsible, more kind, and more empathic. I now understand that communication isn't just about speaking. Is it about listening with our hearts? Responsibility isn't only about text. Is it about how much we care? And many from responsibility don't always require many words. Just our presence and genuine concern. I believe every experience holds a lesson, and if we open our hearts and minds, even a cat can teach us to be a better person. This is my cat documentation. I think clear enough for my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.